Science proves that when you start your day by looking at one clear, meaningful task, your productivity will skyrocket. And this is the most important task I will do today. Not 10 things, not 20 things, just one task. And it's the reason my morning feels calm, productive, and focused. Every morning, I just come over here and open the today's one thing page. This is the page where I add everything that comes to my mind. Okay, everything, including that most small task, laundry, or anything comes in my mind goes right into this page. Okay, section, all section. Okay, let's add the first task. Write outline for the next YouTube video. So let's add some more tasks. Okay, so right now I added about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tasks. Okay, these are the tasks I brain dumped. Okay, now we have to log that one task. Okay, that one task that is really important in your life. Right now we have added 7 tasks, also add the priority, and now let's choose that one task that really matters. For that, I will ask myself which of these will move me closer to my goal and which one matters most today. After choosing that one thing, okay, now let's log that one task. Okay, come here and create a new page. Like, uh, let's name it YouTube. Okay, let's name that here. And as you can see, after naming that, it automatically go to the logged section. This is where you can see all the log tasks that to be done today. Okay, and also we can open this. Come here, log to. We can add a date here like 14 today, and then you can answer this like, why is this important? YouTube, why this is important for you? Okay, and this should be related to your task, and then answer this. Write the cost of skipping, then success criterias, and that's it. Okay, and you can also it automatically answers will automatically show up after showing this like progress. See, progress. Okay, and there's also a progress percentage section where you can see the percentage of done. When it's done, then it will show it completed. See, yeah, as you can see, it's just in progress. All right, and this is how you can log a task and finish that. And after finishing that in the morning, you can feel that morning glory. Okay, and also in this version, you can there is some features you should know about. There is a reminder section. We can add reminders like checkbox, like you can simply just say check, do not make create check. Okay, and then there is progress section where you can see the if this is the local page. Okay, this is I added that for example actually, and this is a local page. It's a YouTube as the log. You can see the progress section. Also there is a features like pipeline, like the task you have added and the task you have added and progress and incomplete. Okay, and also there is a calendar view of the task you have added, and there is a linked task show up the linked tasks that are linked which is not done, and mystery task, and also there's all task, and also there's skip task. After that you can see the logged, like this is the log you have created. Like YouTube is a log we have created for tasks that relate to YouTube, and this is the log we created for apps because I am a developer, so I added that for example. And after that there is completed section, completed page where you can see all the completed tasks. It's very important for your life, in your life. And also there is a review page where you can review the task which is not done but need to be done. And when you move that complete, you can see it's moved from this page. Okay, this is also a review page. You can see the overall thing of overall task. Okay, that's it. This is how you can lock a task and get that task done. Hope you like it, and see you with another episode in next video. Thank you.